Red alert. Red alert. Red alert. All aboard, crew members and passengers. Calling all red light noters to the PDL Express. This is D Life, your favorite skipper, back with a new video, guys. And today we are looking at no other than Red Light No District. We slept on it, we drank on it, and we worked on it. And now I think we're going to buy our first mansion. That's right, our first mansion ever in this digital space, in this digital life that we are on, this D Life. That's right. Welcome to Red Light No District's tutorial on how to get activated and get your first mansion, guys, before the blockchain comes on, so you'll be prepared for the migration should you choose to get into Red Light No District. But you know this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only the PDL skipper on board. So make sure DYOR. But before we get into Red Light, let's jump on over to the Passive D Life Express. If you guys like making passive income, if you like turning pennies into dollars and dollars into hundreds and hundreds into thousands, make sure to become a subscriber, aka crew member. Again, thank you so much to everybody who's liking the videos, who's watching the videos, giving me your time. As you do know, time is precious and priceless. So anytime I see you guys supporting, I really, really appreciate it. All right, let's jump into it. We don't have a lot of time, and I know you don't have a lot of time. So don't forget, give us a follow on Passive D Life Express also. Now, first thing you want to do is come to the redlife.finance app website, and then we'll jump into the DApp, right, which is right here. No, which is over here. Make sure to give Red Light a follow on Medium. All right, so we already have the DApp open. So first, what you want to do, of course, is make sure to connect your wallet, and our wallet is connected. And then you need to have AVAX in your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. And so if you don't know how to do that, make sure to leave a comment. I will do a quick snippet on how to get that AVAX into your wallet, get it from a centralized exchange and into your MetaMask. But we don't want to make this video too long. We want to make it quick and easy. So once we get into the dashboard, then what you will want to do is come on over right here to the red light swap. And as you can see, we already have our AVAX in the wallet. So let's go ahead and get our playmates now. So we need 20 playmates, not 20 playmates. Well, that's a lot of playmates for 20 AVAX. We want to get 20 playmates, which is going to cost us 0.5 AVAX, right? And so let's go now and just swap, nice and easy. Pay that gas fee. Not too bad. That is an awesome gas fee, 007. I appreciate that. Thank you for that D-Life discount. Now what we want to do next is get the token address over here on CoinGecko. So we just go to red lights. Red light. Come on. Red light. Node. What's going on with my CoinGecko here? Red light. Node. All right. Let's just jump onto our portfolio instead. I do not know what's going on with the search there. The internet. Sometimes these things happen. So let's look for red light, where you are. Boom, right here. Okie dokie. So we are definitely on a D-Life discount too on the red light, no district, 1.72. Let's go, MetaMask. Let's go, let's go. And then what we want to do is import a token. So let's go and import this. Playmates, let's add it. Boom, so we got our 20.03 playmates. Let's jump back onto the app now. All right, great. So 20.032 playmates live. Now let's jump into our mansions. And then we'd have to approve our mansion now. So we will approve a mansion. Guys, this is my first time doing this. This is not rehearsed. I don't know. So hopefully we're doing it the right way. Give permission to access your playmates, just to be fully transparent. Pay that gas fee, which is a little expensive, but it is what it is. All right, great. And so success confirmed. Now let's refresh the magic button in DeFi, see what has changed. All right, great. All right, now create a mansion. Now we're gonna create one mansion. Name size is invalid. Oh, we gotta give it a name, so sorry about that. Let's give it a name. How do we give it a name? I don't know. Come on, how do we give it a name? It's not giving us an option there. Let's see, I don't know. I'm going to create, name size is invalid. So we want one mansion, we want two. Prefix. All right, so districts. Did you previously have districts? No, I didn't. All right, 532 cities. All right, red light trust. 172 playmates price. My playmates rewards. All right, guys, so let's see if we can figure this out. I approved the playmate. What is this now? This is for rewards, I take it. You don't have enough rewards, all right. Okay, here we go. I don't know, guys. It was crazy. It wasn't working. All right, so let's go. P. Having a little issue here with my PL. Let's put it in caps. This is a lot of time wasted on trial and error. My apologies here, guys. As you can see, we was clicking that and nothing would happen. We'll give that the PDL Express Mansion. Then let's go to create. Now we pay another gas fee, so that's what, 3 gas fees now. Hopefully this one is nice and a little expensive there. Ay, ay, ay. But all for the red light node fans. Make sure to leave a comment if you are a red light noder and if you do have your mansions in your cities and your districts. Big me up. Let me know that, hey, keep getting those mansions and work towards getting those districts if you are and if you like the platform right now, even though that the price may be down on the playmates, but you are also, a hardcore red light noder. That would be awesome. All right, great. So I did that. Now let's see. Click the refresh. So no mansions, no playmates. All right. Let's see. All right, let's give it another refresh. All right, there we go. Good. Just needed a few seconds. So we got our PDL Express Mansion. Welcome to our PDL Express Mansion where all the drinks, all the food is free. Kick up your feet, chill out in the pool if you want to. Go take a hot bath in the hot tub. Do whatever you want. Chill out in the sauna because we are in the PDL Mansion, dude. This is awesome. So I am glad to be in Playmates in Red Light Node District and now getting prepared for the new, The new Scarlet chain, all right? And the new blockchain for the Red Light Node District. And can't wait until that migration And we'll be turning this mansion into one scarlet node, which will be a red node. And we'll be earning those new rewards. So, keeping the fingers crossed. I hope the migration and the launch will be a success. And I don't know exactly when it's going to be, so we have to stay in touch with the medium for all the updates. Stay in touch with their Twitter. While we're here, let's just check, see if they posted anything new. There we go. Any updates? So their last tweet was about 6 hours ago. We work for the innovation of crypto as a whole. We work for the long term visionary. Lastly, we work for the community. Red Light will be a household name. Oh, I will definitely like that. I'm with that. And I will retweet it. Okay, great. All right, guys. So pretty much that's how you get your node. Get on over to the DApp, have the AVAX in your wallet, give your node a name, which I can't believe we couldn't figure that out or didn't get it. It wasn't working, but maybe it was under my control. And that's it. We got our first mansion. And should the project not come on stream for another 20 days, then guess what? We've already ROI because we're getting one token per day. So it should take us 20 days to ROI, is what I do believe. I do stand to be corrected, all right, from my research. So we will be checking back with R&D as any updates come. I will be bringing that to the PDL Express channel and making sure that you guys are abreast about what's happening. So new one down in the hole, in the hatch, keeping those PDL Express wheels running on board. Thank you so much for viewing today's video, guys. And make sure to leave a comment if you are in Red Node Light District, or what do you think about the project and all the information that was given to you should you have watched yesterday's video. So make sure to check it out. And always remember, stay safe. This is D-Life over and out.